Hey guys, in this video, I'll show the 5 different patterns that you should know in 2022. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. The first pattern will probably be the gift box. You could probably make this pattern before you give anyone a cube as a gift for them. Up next will probably be the arrow cage pattern. To be honest, there's quite a number of scrambles for this pattern, but mine will probably be the fastest one among them. And this will probably be the most classic pattern of all, the dots. The twister, one of the coolest patterns of all, is truly suitable for an awesome cubography shot as well. The last pattern will probably be a commercial one, which is the cubicle pattern. I have some cinematic cubography with this pattern. You can always check them out on my Instagram page. Links will be in the description. Anyway, that's all for today. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to my channel as well to stay tuned for more awesome videos. I'll see you next time and see you next video. Peace.